Got the front all attached. You can see just a couple welds there. That part's now on the top for the steering. And another weld there. Across the bottom, so this doesn't stationary now. Alright, got the brackets on for the transmission. Those all installed, welded up. Gonna be good now. On to the next. Alright, here's the transmission. So, had an issue. This arm sliding out. So, took it all apart. Had to put in that little ring on there to hold that all together. Now I'm going to clean it all up, and then I'm going to weld that bitch together, make it a posi track, and then put it all back together. And then it'll be that much closer, ready to go.